Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a shortcode in Divi. So before we get started, I'd like to remind you that if you buy Divi using my affiliate link, I will give you access to my web design formula course, a course that teaches you how to design professional looking websites with Divi. Links to that in the video description below. Alright, so we're going to start off here by describing what a shortcode is. So for those of you that don't know what a shortcode is, it's a piece of text that has data that is added onto the page dynamically. So it could be that shortcode is pulling information from your social media platforms, like let's say Instagram. It will show all your Instagram feed. It could be maybe you're showing a form on your site. So there are various ways that you can get a shortcode. So I just want to show you how to add these shortcodes easy in Divi. All right, so over here I have my blank Divi page. So I'm just going to come here and add a 2-column structure. And in here I am going to search for my shortcode module. Okay, so let's search for it. So here it is. So now I can just paste my shortcode in here. Now let me show you where I got my shortcode. So here I have several plugins that I have that use shortcodes. So I'm going to first come over here to Studio Cart. Now Studio Cart is a funnel building software, so it also comes with shortcodes. So here is the shortcode. Now the quickest way to see what a shortcode is, or to spot it, is to see the brackets, you know, the square brackets at the edge of the code itself. Okay, so that's how you're going to know it's a shortcode. All right, so here you can see I have copied it. So as you can see, we have no idea what this is going to look like. So back over here now, this is where you want to paste your code like that. So now you can see our form has been added, and there's also a few things that you can do here design wise. You can go into the design tab and perhaps maybe go to the text. So as you can see, all we can do here is to center. We can't do really much here with this code module. So what I normally do is I use the same shortcode, but in a text module. That way you have a bit more leeway as to going in and customizing it. So let's save here. And on this other part of our row, I'm going to search for my text module and select it. So here I am going to go into my text tab. Okay, this is the one that shows your HTML. So I'm going to paste it in here, and you're going to notice that pretty much it's going to be the same. There isn't really a difference here when you take a look at them. But what I really like about this is when you come over here to the design, there's a few things you can do. Now, sometimes you may see this spinning a lot. So you may want to save this and then exit the Visual Builder. But this will, load the data. Now, there's a lot of things happening here on my side. That is why this is taking a bit of time. But when you take a look at these, they pretty much look very, very similar. So the shortcode can work both in the code module and also in the text module. Okay, so let's take a look at the differences here. So if I come over here now to my module settings, you notice that we have these paintbrush icons. So that means I can go in here and customize this right away. So let's say this font here needs to be, say, Poppins. I can just go in here and search for Poppins, and there you go. You can see now it's updating. The color here is changing. I can also increase the size a little bit, and also I can go in here and change the font here as well. But this we couldn't get with the code module itself. Okay, so that's the main difference. There's a few things we can go in and customize over here. Now, let me also give you one more example, and that is, say you want to add a contact form. So to add a contact form, I also use Fluent Forms for my forms. This also has shortcodes. So I'm just going to come over here to all forms. And again, you can see I have my angled brackets here. I'm going to copy that. And now I can come over here and add my shortcode. So over here, I'm going to search for my code module, select it, and just paste it like that. So there we go. I have my shortcode, and now it's showing my form that I created over here in Fluent Forms. So this is how easily you can go in and add shortcodes using Divi. So just bear in mind that the text module will have a few more features where you can go in and customize a few things. But with the normal code module, you really can't do much with that. But if you just want to show your data, it will show using both options. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe subscribe and bell notification. By doing so, you'll be notified when I release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.